Hey guys, I'm Emily May, and today we're painting on CDs. So in my last video, which was a studio vlog, I mentioned that I wanted to paint on CDs, and some of you said that you would like to see that. I was seeing painting on CDs for ages at one point. Painting on CDs, customizing CDs, decorating my room with CDs, painting on CDs, decorating CDs, CDs, room decor, making room decor from CDs. CDs. That doesn't even sound like a word anymore. But now that that's like kind of over, I kind of like want to paint on CDs. I know. Basically, I have a certain bit above my desk which has just a canvas of a rabbit above it. Now, I love this painting and I love rabbits. Like, I literally have a pet rabbit. This is Sam. He free roams in my bedroom and I love him so much. I'm obviously going to keep that rabbit picture still. I don't really want it above my desk because that's like my art space. So instead, I'm going to be putting CDs there that I've customized. So that's what the video is. That wasn't obvious.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so this is how the CDs come, but I want to paint on these as if they were clear, like this one. It's actually really simple to take the film off the CD. Okay, so I was going to use my X-Acto knife, but I literally cannot find it, so I'm going to try and use pliers. So basically you start by doing like a little line like this and store the film, the little crease here, to like kind of break through the film. So now you're going to grab your tape and place it down and peel up and it'll take off the film. The only problem is that when doing this, you have to be careful because sometimes the tape can just stay on it and it just won't come off. Even if I wash it, it just stays there and it looks ugly. So this is a little tip that I learned when I was trying to do this. So you're going to place your tape down like this. And now most YouTube videos will be like, now peel it up and then keep going. But when doing that, it just gets so much residue. So I recommend just covering the whole thing in tape. Okay, let's peel up. See how it's taking off the film? Keep going. Oh, that looks so cool, like reflecting in it. Looks really cool. Keep going. Okay, as you can see, looks pretty pretty. Anyway, that's most of it gone, but there's still like bits here. So again, we don't want to get that gross little like residue stuff here. This is some of the residue on just a clear CD, so you can kind of see, as I said, how it like sticks on there. And it's annoying and looks weird. Just, yeah, this and then residue. So I'm speaking so quietly. And there, I think that's going to be the best I'm going to get it. As you can see, there's still like a little bit of tape residue here. But overall, it's pretty good. So here are all the CDs that I have removed the film from. As you can see, residue. But it's fine. Oh, we're all good. So start decorating these. By the way, my designs are going to be simple. I'm not going to be making a whole amazing painting on these or anything like that. These are just simple, cute little things to hang up.
Can't see shit cause you have closed your eyes. You say you listen, but you're missing what it's all about. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. I try to help you, but you keep reading between the lines. There's nothing there for you to complicate, we're not aligned. You say you listen, but guessing that's just another sign. Not growing up, you're growing old, your life keep passing by. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah.
here is the finished CD. Now before we move on to the next CD, I'm going to show you a quick tip that I learned from Super Ray Dizzle that I want to share with you guys. So this is just some mixed media paper right here. And I'm just going to show you something really simple that you can do to get your paints look a lot more heavy duty. So heavy body acrylic can be really expensive, so this is how you do it, just by buying just normal paint. This is just Liquitex basic acrylic. This is the color Crimson. And if I just pour just a bit here. Okay. So as you can see, pretty normal. Right. Okay, so here is, that's just like, it's just normal, like obviously it's kind of what you would expect when you don't buy heavy duty, you know? But I'm gonna show you something. So, just grab some of the paint and just pour a little bit into here. So, now I'm just gonna grab some corn flour, or if you live in like another country, this might be known to you as cornstarch. But where I live in the UK, this is corn flour. I'm gonna grab some and pop it in there. I'm using a nail. Oh my god. Let's do a little patch with this one. So I'm gonna do a patch of this bit, and then I'm gonna add even more corn flour and do another patch. The texture straight away is so much thicker. It's not super thick as I didn't add a lot of corn flour. I just added a little bit to get us started. I don't know if you can really see it in the camera, but it's so much more coverage. But now we're gonna do one more with even more corn flour in it, and just to show like the real difference. And add even more corn flour. I just want to see how heavy duty you can get this, you know? Okay, here. So this is our weird dough paste that we're gonna now try. Ew, look at this. Looks like it looks like lipstick. That's what it looks like. It looks like those cheap kids makeup you get when you're really like in those palettes. When like, I don't know if anyone knows what I'm talking about. But when I was younger, I used to always play with makeup, and I always got like the little cases of them, like little packet things. But I don't know, yeah, it was kind of cool. That's what it reminds me of. Right. Oh my god. This is such a good hack if you're an abstract artist and you don't want to spend so much money on like the heavy duty paint. You can just do this. Oh, oops. And you can just like get such thick paint out of it. Like I can't even really spread it. It's that thick, to be honest. No. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend adding this much as I did. I would add like this much or maybe a bit more than that. Like, yeah, but I just kind of wanted to see. But it definitely is like a texture of like lipstick. Those cheap ones. This is perfect for abstract art. This is perfect for every day. This is just normal paint. Yeah, look, that is the difference. You can really see the difference between them. Like, it's such a big difference. The difference is amazing. I'm definitely going to start doing this, and I recommend you doing it too.
What's this video again? Oh yeah, it was painting CDs, so let's do that.
did this Galaxy one off camera. I do just want to clarify that, again, these are not, I did not put like a lot of time and effort into these. These are just quick little CDs that I wanted to do for today's video. Very simple, like I didn't put a lot of time into this, but I still hope you enjoy. And yeah, I'm gonna go put these on my wall. So here are the CDs on my wall. I'm hoping to make more and just like cover the wall more over time, but this is it for now and I really like it. Anyways guys, that is it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, before I forget, next Friday, sadly there won't be an upload as I'm away on a trip, but there will be an upload next Friday. So see you guys then. Bye!